5 years ago, I noticed that my hair started falling. I was very worried about that situation because I was losing all my hair from the front to the back. So I started cover all all the front of my head. And it didn't look too well, so I said, well, this is terrible. Now I am in Italy and I went to a doctor specialized in this type of situation. And she recommended me to go to CRLAB for a prosthesis. And now I'm here with this prosthesis and I feel so great. I recommend everyone, especially women, that we have this problem, run away and go and get your prosthesis. This is terrific. It will make you feel, I don't know, a new person. Or that person that lost their hair 5 years ago or 3 years ago, but I really recommend it. It's very easy, it's a solution for the hair that is missing. I really recommend because you will feel another person. You will rescue your autoestima. Thank you.